Welcome to a mesmerizing journey through some of the most satisfying production lines and factory machines. From perfectly synchronized assembly lines to high-precision cutting, watch as raw materials transform into finished products with incredible efficiency. Prepare to be amazed by the technology and craftsmanship that keep industries running smoothly. Let's dive into the world of precision engineering and seamless automation. Hot wound spring. Here at SU Spring Works, we excel in crafting custom mechanical springs, whether it's hot or cold wound. Our expertise goes beyond springs. We specialize in stampings, wire forms, machining, metal spinning, and water jet cutting. We're proud to handle coiling up to a 36-inch outside diameter and an impressive 70-inch free length, giving you flexibility in your projects. Our proficiency in hot wound springs is unparalleled, ensuring strength, durability, and high-quality performance. Whether you need large or small springs, we deliver consistent results with exceptional craftsmanship. For urgent projects, our expedited turnaround ensures you stay on schedule. We cater to flexible quantity ordering, no matter how specific or unique your needs are. At SU Spring Works, quality and efficiency come together, ensuring you get precisely what you need, when you need it. TXInter Braiding Machine. TXInter, a leading company in Russia, specializes in the production of advanced braiding machines and cutting-edge software. Their machines are designed to handle a diverse array of applications, including cords, tapes, tubes, wires, and even braiding with precious metals and composite materials. Each machine is crafted with precision and efficiency, making it adaptable to various braiding needs. A highlight of their offerings is the TCHM Braider multi-filament software, a powerful tool that simulates the braiding process with remarkable detail. It generates a 3D model of the braided structure and calculates its properties with accuracy. Particularly skilled at working with tubular braids, this software enables users to optimize machine settings, simulate the process, and even arrange colors, offering unmatched flexibility and control in braiding operations. TXInter ensures that both machinery and software meet the highest standards for performance and innovation. Barnshaws. Barnshaws is a leader in precision metal forming, renowned for its advanced bending technology. Their machines are at the cutting edge, producing complex shapes and structures with unmatched accuracy. This expertise serves critical industries like aerospace and automotive, where precision metal components are essential for success. Barnshaws not only excels in performance, but also prioritizes sustainability. Their efficient material usage minimizes waste, making their manufacturing processes eco-friendly. This focus on resource efficiency enhances both productivity and environmental responsibility. While the initial investment in Barnshaw's advanced technology might be significant, the long-term benefits are clear. The precision manufacturing and reduced material waste lead to cost savings and operational efficiency. As a result, Barnshaws stands as a cornerstone in metal forming, offering the perfect blend of innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. Fatzer wire rope production. At Fatzer AG, the production of high-quality wire ropes begins with a single steel wire. Each wire is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets strict standards for strength, flexibility, and durability, key qualities for reliable wire ropes. The process starts by winding steel wires onto reels, which are then loaded into a stranding machine. This machine twists the wires together, forming strands. As the strands pass through dies and rollers, their shape and structure are modified to meet precise specifications. The continuous twisting of these strands forms the final wire rope. To maintain accuracy, the rope's diameter is regularly checked to ensure that the strands are properly compressed. After the ropes are formed, they undergo an endurance test to assess their strength and durability. Once tested, the finished wire ropes are wound onto large reels, ready for delivery to clients. Fatzer AG's rigorous process ensures that every rope is produced to the highest standards, meeting the demands of industries that require robust and reliable wire ropes. Melting furnace. Melting Solutions represents a pinnacle of innovation in the world of metal, melting and casting technology. Known for its efficiency and reliability, their machines are engineered to provide precise and effective solutions for metal production. Whether handling ferrous or non-ferrous metals, Melting Solutions ensures that the melting and casting processes are optimized for superior results. A significant feature of Melting Solutions is its focus on environmental responsibility. Their machines are designed to minimize energy consumption and reduce waste, making the metal production process more sustainable. Automation plays a key role in their systems, streamlining metal production and improving overall operational efficiency. Although the investment in such advanced technology may come at a cost, the long-term advantages are undeniable. Enhanced metal quality, energy savings, and process efficiency solidify Melting Solutions as a major player in the metal manufacturing industry, providing both high-quality production and environmental benefits. YUANROX YR306. The YUANROX YR306 is a welding machine engineered for large-scale production, particularly in the manufacturing of food and oil containers. As the demand for can containers continues to rise, this machine proves itself essential for meeting high production volumes with unmatched efficiency. Capable of producing up to 350 cans per minute, the YR306 allows manufacturers to easily scale up operations. One of the machine's standout features is its programmable settings, allowing operators to adjust speed and can size based on specific production needs. This adaptability boosts factory efficiency exponentially, ensuring a rapid return on investment. With its built-in sensors, the YR306 offers smooth operation, automatically holding and shifting cans through various stages of the manufacturing process without hiccups. This user-friendly design not only simplifies the workflow, but also ensures consistent quality and reliability, making it a crucial asset in modern can production. CBM12 Chain Machine. The CBM12 Chain Machine is a state-of-the-art solution designed for the high-efficiency production of various types of chains. Known for its precision and speed, this machine is ideal for manufacturing chains used in industries such as construction, automotive, and marine. The CBM12 is capable of producing chains with exceptional accuracy, ensuring uniformity and strength in each link. Its advanced automation features allow for seamless production, reducing manual intervention and minimizing errors. The machine's flexibility also stands out, as it can be adjusted to produce different chain sizes and configurations depending on specific industry needs. Efficiency is a core feature of the CBM12, capable of running at high speeds without compromising on quality. Additionally, its user-friendly interface allows operators to easily control and monitor production, enhancing overall factory productivity. With its cutting-edge technology, the CBM12 chain machine is a reliable and indispensable tool in chain manufacturing. Bending Machine VRM. The VRM High 4200-3730 is a highly versatile 4-roll plate bending machine, engineered for precise and powerful operations across a wide range of industrial applications. Equipped with hydraulic roll movement for both side and bottom rolls, this machine easily pre-bends sheet edges and rolls them into various shapes such as tubes, ovals, and cones. What sets this machine apart is its ability to handle both even and uneven radii with exceptional precision. It excels in press bending and calibrating welded tubes to minimize radius variations, ensuring consistency in the final product. With a bending capacity of up to 250 mm in thickness, the VRM can tackle large-scale projects with ease. Boasting an impressive plate length of 30,790 mm and width of 3.9 mm, this massive machine weighs 600 tons and is powered by 700 kilowatt of installed power. Its high-force output, exceeding 8,000 tons, makes it the go-to choice for heavy-duty tasks in industries like shipbuilding and aerospace, where strength, accuracy, and efficiency are crucial.